Hi, today I will be building a fire detection systems on the Tinkercad. So this project is to build a fire detection systems that is a proactive safety project designed to monitor the environmental hazards using an Arduino Uno. It uses and gas sensors to detect the smoke of flammable vapors and temperature sensors to identify the sudden heat spikes. Ensure the comprehensive coverage of fire-related risks. When the sensor reading exceed the thresholds of the safety threshold, the system will automatically trigger a visual warning via the LEDs and an audible alerts to a piezo buzzer. For the prototype, we need to connect the top 3 pins of the gas sensors to the 5-volt power and the below B1s to the analog pin of the Arduino Uno. I'm here connects to the A0. The middle connects to the ground, and the last pin, which is the B2, to the ground with an 4.7 kilo ohm resistors. The temperature sensors, we need to connect both the power and ground first, and connects to the valve to the to the analog pin of the Arduino Uno. I'm here connects to the A1. For the piezo buzzers, we need to connect the positive to the digital pins on the Arduino Uno. I'm here connecting to 2, and the negative pins to the ground. LEDs, we need to connect the cathode to the ground along with the resistors, which is 200 ohm resistors, and we need to connect the anodes to the digital pin as well. Here is connected to the 3. And here, first we need to define the pins, and here is the temperature pin will be defined to the A1 of the analog input, and the gas sensors pin is defined to A0, buzzer to digital pin 2, and LED to a digital pin 3. And here we can set the temperature the threshold, and first is the temperature limit. We will set it to 100 degrees, and for the gas limit we are setting it to 400 smoke density values. And here the setup sections, we need to define a buzzer as output and the LED as output, and start the serial monitors. And the looping sections here will first define the temperature readings as analog read from the temperature pin, and the gas readings equals to analog read of the gas sensors pin. And we need to convert the temperature voltage to Celsius by doing these equations. First, we need to put the voltage as float, which is temperature readings divided by 5 times 1024. And the next is to calculate the Celsius by minus the voltage with 0.5 times divides 100. Next, we will print the string for the temperature, and followed by that print the Celsius readings. And next is to print the gas string along with the gas readings. Next, we'll set the trigger logics. So if the temperature is over 40 and these two lines is OR, so if the temperature is over 40 or the gas reading is exceeded the gas limit, which is the 400, the LED will be lights up. The red LED will be lights up, and the buzzer will make a 1000 Hz tone, or else the LED will be turned off and the buzzer won't be making any sounds. And here is the delay 500 milliseconds. So let's start the simulations. So if we put the smoke near the gas sensors, the buzzer will be make sounds and the LED will be lights up as well. So for the temperature, if it's over 100 degrees, and let me open the serial monitors. You can see both the temperature readings and gas readings here. So if we exceed so if the temperature Celsius is exceeding 40 degrees, it will start making the buzzer sounds and the red LED will light up as well to indicate that the room temperature has been exceeded a very dangerous levels. So this is how the fire detection systems works.